Hey, what's going on, everybody? We get a lot of questions on a very regular basis about credit score and how it impacts buying a house and your ability to buy a house. So that's what we're talking about today, and we're going to get started right now. Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Mark with My Front Range Living, powered by RE/MAX Integrity, and this is the Dave Oliver with Community Banks Mortgage here in Colorado Springs. Dave, thanks for being with me. I appreciate it, dude.
Thank you.
As all of you are aware, I'm a full-time real estate agent here in Colorado Springs, which is exactly why I have a full-time mortgage lender with me now, because I don't know what to tell you in regards to this. So, Dave, talk to me. Tell me how credit impacts buying a house.
It's a great question. I hear it, all the time. I think the most important thing is find out where you stand.
Meaning?
Apply with a lender.
Okay.
Have that lender pull your 3-bureau credit report.
Okay.
And get a snapshot of where you are in regards to credit score,
okay,
which directly impacts what kind of a loan you need to get, what kind of house you can buy, if you can buy, everything.
Right, so
it's everything.
So tell me how it impacts what loan I could get, what loan program I could get.
Sure. So, generally speaking, the higher your credit score is,
okay,
the more that will kind of guide you to a conventional loan.
Okay.
And the lower your score is, you're kind of looking at an FHA loan.
Okay. So tell me why that is.
FHA is kinder to lower credit scores,
okay,
and higher debt-to-income ratios.
Okay.
Conventional loan is geared towards better credit scores,
okay,
and lower debt-to-income ratios.
Okay.
So, each case will be different, but
right,
you have to, keep those things in mind as you look at buying a house and building your plan.
Right. All right. So, say I'm a military person.
Yeah.
Let's throw another loan program out there.
Sure.
Credit's not great. What do you think I ought to do?
It turns out VA is pretty lenient with credit scores.
Okay.
So it's going to fall more in line with like an FHA setup.
Okay.
The VA tends to be more lenient with debt to income.
Okay.
And credit.
All right.
But with that, with that said, you still have to have a decent score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It can't be 2.
No. Yeah, 2.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever seen 2.
But you also made a point early on. Hey, make sure that you reach out to a lender and get your credit pulled, so you know what your credit score is and what you're working with. So let's say somebody's out there right now. Hey, my credit card company offers me my free credit score.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Should they be relying on that? I mean, it depends on the source, right?
It's going to depend a lot on
because
the source.
there's a lot of programs out there right now. Hey, free credit score, free credit score, free credit score. I mean, isn't that indicative of what their credit score is?
Can be, not always. So what happens is
this is Dave being very diplomatic.
What happens is that like these certain places will advertise running your credit and giving you a score.
Right.
If it's not one of the 3 mainstream credit agencies, they're estimating what the model is. So they don't know exactly what goes into the recipe. So when you get that score, it might be high, it might be low, who knows?
Okay.
So I think it's good to reach out to like a lender. Myself, I don't charge someone for a pre-qualification.
Oh, okay.
So if someone wants to apply and say, hey, I may be buying now, I might be buying in a few months, but I want to know where I stand.
Right.
That's the best way to do it.
Okay. And so, Dave, but you're not just specifically lending here in Colorado Springs. You can lend anywhere, right?
Yep.
So if they're seeing this in Washington State, still hit you up and you can help them out.
Done it.
Awesome. Okay.
Yep.
So tell me what a good credit score looks like, roughly. Just a number for a mortgage.
I mean, generally, if you're 680 or above,
680 or above,
you'll have access to a wide variety of loans.
So 680 to 760, you're going to have basically your pick of loan programs.
You'll have access to them,
yeah,
and then you just have to decide based on time, money, down payment, debt to income, whatever the variables are, which fits best for your needs.
Okay. So had a couple hiccups in the past, things aren't going that great, or I missed a payment here and there. My credit score is not 680.
Okay.
So tell me what that looks like. What's lower than 680? Where can I still qualify in theory?
Yep.
For a mortgage?
620.
Okay.
You want to hit 620. If you're below 620, then it's going to take a lot of planning to kind of get into a position where you'll have access to something decent.
Okay.
So 620 is kind of the industry mark of like, hey, if you're below that,
let's work
probably
through it.
wait. We want to try to get you to a better position. And if you're above that, so say you're 620 but not 680.
Okay.
You're probably going to be looking at an FHA loan.
Okay.
That's probably your best move, but it's case by case. So.
Well, and certainly there's nothing wrong with an FHA loan.
No.
Anything that's going to get you in a house so you are paying yourself instead of a landlord, right?
Right.
And starting to build that value and that equity in your home.
Right.
So there are still definitely options, even if your credit's not 850, which I've never seen.
Yeah. No, don't be afraid. And, a lot of people I think are worried about, hey, I don't want someone to judge me. I don't want them to look at my credit, and don't worry about it. Like I've seen every piece of credit you could imagine, and I'm a professional problem solver. So my job is to help you get to where you want to get to.
Okay.
And make that happen.
So the reality of it is, give Dave a call.
Exactly.
And let you start helping them work through the process.
Right.
Make sure that their individual needs can be met with their particular circumstances.
Right.
Right?
Right.
Awesome. Well, hey, you heard the man. Hit him up. We've got his number down below in the comments, and it would mean the world if you would reach out to him, ask him questions, because the reality of it is you could be farther along in the process than you think, or Dave could at least get you on the right track to the home buying process. So, once again, Dave Oliver with Community Banks Mortgage. I am Mark Hubert with My Front Range Living, powered by RE/MAX Integrity here in Colorado Springs. Hope you found value in the content today. It would mean the absolute world if you could drop us a comment or a like. Even better, it would be awesome if you subscribe to the channel. If you would like to see us on the other platforms, Facebook or Instagram, we are at My Front Range Living. So thanks for stopping by. We appreciate it. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye.